World Tourism Day 2021 celebration decodes the inclusive growth strategy.
हमें पर्यटन क्षेत्र के अंदर आगे बहुत विकास की संभावना है। हमें नए क्षेत्र ढूंढने चाहिए। पर्यावरण की दृष्टि से भारत सबसे अच्छा देश हो सकता है। आध्यात्मिक शिक्षा और विशेष रूप से जब मैं देखता हूं आज की तारीख में मेडिकल टूरिज्म के रूप में भारत दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा भाव हो सकता है।
आज़ाद अमृत वर्ष इस 23 अगस्त 15 तक होगा। इस संदर्भ में भारत सरकार के द्वारा टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट के द्वारा दुनिया के अलग अलग देशों से टूरिस्ट को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए एक एक्शन प्लान भी बनाने का नरेंद्र मोदी जी आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी आदेश दिया है। उसके लिए भी हमारा डिपार्टमेंट के द्वारा लगातार काम चल रहे हैं।
The ministry has planned a detailed strategy to utilize the technology to the fullest extent to overcome the setback created by the pandemic.
In many parts of the world, tourism is slowly restarting. As it does, we must make sure that nobody missed out. Growth must be benefit every part of our diverse sector, from the biggest airline to the smallest family business, and from the largest cities to the smallest rural communities. This is what it means when we say we will leave nobody behind.
Taking essence from this year's World Tourism Day theme of Tourism for Inclusive Growth, the Ministry today, we will sign also an MOU with the United Nations Environment Programme and the Responsible Tourism Society of India towards promoting sustainable and responsible tourism in the country. Post the MOU, we will also launch a responsible traveler campaign throughout the country, and some of it has already started today on social media.
We have, all of us have gathered. Not only it's not a simple gathering, today's gathering is gathering with courage. This courage only because of the kind of vaccination drive which we have seen recently globally and with specific reference to India.
I would first and foremost like to thank our chief guest, Honorable Speaker of Lok Sabha, Shri Om Birla ji, for sparing his valuable time and gracing the function today.
We are trying to create a messaging for the traveler being responsible, using sustainable and responsible practices, both as the suppliers in the whole ecosystem of travel and tourism, as well as how to be a responsible traveler.
There are residual concerns of faith on SEIS capping and percentage, GST rates, interest and principal moratoriums, more emphatic attitude of banking towards the industry, underwriting of travel agent and tour operator losses, airlines collapse, abolition of TCS, industry status in states, infrastructure status at the center, and concurrent listing of tourism. And, of course, the restart of tourism by announcing of opening of visas, commercial flights to revive business for inbound, domestic, and outbound